Jessica, good evening. When you first look at those results, you'll see a very staggering figure. You'll see that 95% of our homeless population has increased between 2017 and 2019. But when I reached out to officials about that, they also mentioned that the amount of volunteers going out in these point-in-time counts have also increased significantly within the last couple of years. So it doesn't mean that there may have been an actual 95% spike, but that the extra volunteers account for a more accurate glimpse at our homeless population here. But regardless, officials say that our homeless population has been increasing year after year.
The increase from 2019 to 2020 was only 19%, whereas the prior year it was 50%.
Another year, another sizable increase in the homeless population in Kern County. The Homeless Collaborative releasing their results of the January 2020 point-in-time count, where 342 volunteers searched for unsheltered homeless people across our community in a 12-hour period. The results, released Wednesday, shows volunteers surveyed 1,580 homeless people in the county, over 60% of them living on the streets.
The number of unsheltered people in just Metro Bakersfield grew by 31% year after year. I mean, that is extraordinary.
City Council member Andre Gonzalez added that over 80% of the county's homeless population is in Metro Bakersfield. Results show 24% of them are in East Bakersfield, 22% in Southwest Bakersfield, 15% in Central, 8% in Rosedale and along the river. 16% are in the rural areas. Carlos Baldovinos, the CEO of the mission at Kern County, says more work needs to be done.
These are people that we're talking about, not just numbers. And we can't take the focus out of that. But nevertheless, there's still, the numbers are high. I mean, that just shows that we have to keep grinding away. I mean, keep chipping away at this.
Children under the age of 18 make up for 9% of the homeless population here. 5% of them living on the streets. Youth between 18 and 24 make up for 6% of the homeless population, 67% of them on the streets. And for families living paycheck to paycheck.
In the days ahead, as you see, as we're in this COVID crisis, what is that going to say for folks that were on the verge of homelessness, that could be in homelessness? And these numbers that we have before us could mean absolutely nothing, be completely different.
All that said, even though the numbers are increasing, we should all take solace in the fact that these resources are all lining up. We are in a much better position to address homelessness than we ever were.
And Homeless Collaborative officials say that they're just waiting for statewide results to come back so that we could compare our homeless trends here with the entire state to kind of have a better idea of exactly where we stand and what resources we need from our federal government. For now, live in Bakersfield, Bayan Wang, 23 ABC, connecting you.